In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make amazing images like these using a simple prompt from ChatGPT and one powerful tool called Luma AI. You don't need any design experience, just follow along and you'll see how easy it is. With Luma AI, you can generate studio quality images and videos in just the blink of an eye. It's that fast and easy. At the end of the video, I'll show you how you can use Luma Dream Machine for free, so stay tuned till the end. First, open your browser and search for Luma Dream Machine. Or you can use the link I've added in the description. Then click on the first website that appears. Now, click on the Try Now button. It will take you to the sign-in page. I've already created an account. After signing up, you'll be taken to the artboard. From here, I'm going to click the plus icon to generate a burger image using a prompt I got from ChatGPT. Here's the prompt. Once you add the prompt, you can adjust the size according to your needs. I'm using a 16:9 aspect ratio with a resolution of 1080p. After that, press the Generate button, and it will start generating the image. Just look at how good the images turned out. They look absolutely amazing, so realistic and sharp. Now, to help you develop your idea, you can use the Brainstorm feature. Just press the Brainstorm button, it only takes a second. Now, Brainstorm will show you 3 different options for image ideas. You can choose any one of them. I'm going with the explosive food drama prompt to generate a new image. Now, I'm adjusting the size to 9:16 to get the perfect vertical image. Now, it will generate 4 pictures. I really like the first one, so I'm going to select that image. Now, I just hit the Make Video button to turn the image into a short video. Here, Luma has a unique option that lets you customize videos however you want. For my video, I'm using the crane up effect. Here are the videos. Look how natural they look. I like both of them, so I'll download them. To download the image or video, just press the download button and it will start downloading automatically. These are the final results. Now I'm going to generate another prompt using ChatGPT. Here's the prompt. For this image, I'm setting the size to a 4:3 ratio. After that, hit the Generate button. Now just look at the image. Now I'm going to add another prompt generated by ChatGPT. Here's the prompt. I'm setting the size to a 3:4 ratio. Now I'll press the Generate button. Just look at the image. Now I'll hit the Show More button to get more images like this. Now I'm using Brainstorm to come up with more unique images. Now Brainstorm will show you 3 different options for image ideas. You can choose any one of them. I'm going with Just look at the image. It looks amazing. Using Luma, you can create high-quality images like this as many times as you want. And that's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed the process. If you want more design tips, tricks, and behind-the-scenes stuff, don't forget to follow and stay tuned for more cool content. Got any design topics you're itching to learn about? Drop them in the comments.